Hello, I just wanted to show off this new product I bought for my car. So when I go surfing, basically, I need someone to put my keys, and I've been looking for a solution, and it's this Bosvision. So it's a 4-digit key storage with shackle. It comes with this cable here, which I think is 50 centimeters long. And it also comes with this shackle. Now the trouble with my car is it's not got door handles that I could maybe stick this shackle through. So I was a bit stuck, and there's nowhere really to put it on my car. Like, there's no tow thing at the back of the car to put it on. But this seems to work quite well. So I just looped it through the wheel, through here, and then that's locked it in. And it's just, you put in the code. That isn't actually my code I'm using, by the way. And it's just a great place. So when I go surfing, I can just lock the car and bung it in this, like that. And it fits, and it's quite a big box. It fits a big key fob, which came with my car, and it could fit probably debit, credit cards, and it won't fit a phone in there, that's for sure. But I just thought I'd show it off. I think it's quite a neat thing. It was £30 on Amazon, but it's definitely worth a shot if you're looking for a solution that isn't going to break the bank, and it saves you sort of putting it under your car wheel, like here. I think it's a great little product. But I saw on YouTube there weren't any videos showing of it actually on a car wheel, which isn't very handy, so I just thought I'd make a quick video for you guys. Anyway, check it out. So that's what it's called, the 4-key digital storage with shackle. So I've just opened it up just to show you. So that's my sort of key fob. So I mean, you could definitely fit some cards in there and other things as well. So it's really handy. I think you could fit 2 key fobs in there. So if you're worried about the size of your key fob, then it's definitely worth a shout taking a look at this one. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.